In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Colossyan account. If you're ready to permanently remove your presence from Colossyan, the process is straightforward. You'll start by signing in so you're on your main dashboard. Make sure you're using the account that owns the workspace you want to remove. Colossyan organizes your projects and settings into workspaces, and deleting a workspace is effectively how you delete your account's environment and its content. Keep in mind this action is permanent and typically removes videos, assets, and team access tied to that workspace, so it's wise to save anything important beforehand. Once you're signed in, look to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually shown as your avatar or initials. Click that profile section to open the account menu. From that menu, go to Workspace Details. This page gives you an overview of your current workspace, including its name, members, and administrative controls. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check you're viewing the one you intend to delete. On the Workspace Details page, locate the option labeled Delete Workspace. Platforms place this action in a prominent but cautious spot because it cannot be undone. When you click Delete Workspace, the site will guide you through a short confirmation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may be asked to confirm that you understand the consequences, to type the workspace name, or to re-enter your credentials. Read each prompt and proceed only when you're certain you want to continue. After you complete the confirmation, Colossyan will queue the deletion. In most cases, the workspace is removed immediately, and you might be redirected or signed out. If you don't see the Delete Workspace option, you likely lack the permissions required, and you'll need the workspace owner to take this step. A few final notes for clarity. Deleting a workspace affects everything associated with that workspace, so make sure collaborators know what's happening to avoid confusion or data loss. If you maintain other workspaces under the same login, those will remain untouched. Only the one you deleted is removed. Also, policies can change, so if you have an active plan, check how workspace deletion impacts billing or renewal dates by reviewing Colossyan's current terms before you begin. And that's it. By logging in, opening your profile in the lower left, heading to Workspace Details, and choosing Delete Workspace while following the confirmations, you'll successfully delete your Colossyan account environment.